Good day, everyone, and welcome to Workplace Talk. I'm your host for today, Lorraine, and today we're going to dive into a topic that every intern and employee should know. Well, we've been invited a very special guest to help us understand. Let's welcome our very own supervisor named Miss Faye. Please give her a round of applause. Hi, Miss Faye. Good morning, and thank you so much for joining us today.
Hello, Lorraine. Thank you for inviting me, and I'm glad and excited to share some tips.
Alright, let's jump into our first question. Miss Faye, why is it important for interns or new employees to get to know their supervisor?
Thank you for your question, Lorraine. For me, knowing a supervisor helps you to grow and understand your expectations, and also it makes the workplace smooth and faster to grow.
Good advice, but let's be honest. A lot of people feel nervous around their supervisors. What can they do to overcome them?
And supervisors are also people. We are here to guide and mentor you when you're unsure. Don't be shy or don't be scared to ask questions, and always be confident.
Now here's a big one, Miss Faye. How can knowing your supervisor actually help you grow career?
When you build a good relationship with your supervisor, they can help you for your future career goals. Also, they can give you a mentorship for your future.
And finally, what are the top do's and don'ts when working with supervisors?
For me, do communicate openly, respect deadlines, and always be honest. Don't ignore feedbacks. Don't be unprofessional most of the time. And importantly, don't be shy, don't be scared to ask questions when needed.
Before we wrap up, let's do something fun. Fast talk. I'll ask quick questions and answer in 1 or 2 words. Are you ready?
Ready?
1 word to describe your great employee.
Adaptable.
Coffee or tea at the office?
Coffee.
Most common mistake interns make?
Not asking questions.
Number 1 tip for success.
Always take the risk.
Thank you so much, Miss Faye, for sharing such a valuable insights. To everyone watching, remember, getting to know your supervisor isn't just a formality. It's the first step towards building a professional relationship that helps you succeed. This has been the Workplace Talk. Until next time, thank you and goodbye.